In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for customer service, a comprehensive guide for maximizing your use of this powerful tool. Whether you're new to HubSpot or you've been exploring its features for a while, this walkthrough will help you understand how to better manage your customer relationships and streamline your service operations. First, let's navigate to the trial guide. You'll want to head to the app na2.hubspot.com portal, where you'll find a section marked Trial Guide. This is your gateway to accessing service-related features in HubSpot, so it's essential that you start here. Once you're inside the portal, look for the option labeled Service. By clicking here, you'll enter the section that houses all of your customer service tools. Now that we're in the service area, the next logical step is to click on Customer Success. This area is instrumental in helping you develop and nurture enduring relationships with your customers. HubSpot places a strong emphasis on customer success as it directly correlates to your business's retention rates and overall satisfaction. So, this is a hub of activity where you can see how your customer success strategies are performing and make the necessary improvements. From here, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Customers. This section provides a comprehensive list of your customers, along with vital data regarding their interactions and history. It's a valuable asset for tracking communication patterns and identifying key areas where your support teams are excelling and where they may need improvement. Being informed of your customers' experiences helps tailor solutions that best fit their needs, fostering loyalty and satisfaction. Next up is the Services tab. As you can imagine, this segment is crucial in managing the various services you offer. Think of it as the central nervous system for your service offerings through HubSpot. It allows you to keep tabs on what services are most in demand, what areas might need more attention, and any changes you can implement to streamline operations. Following Services, your next stop is in the Revenue section. This part allows you to see the financial metrics connected to your customer service efforts. Keeping an eye on revenue is critical for understanding the impact your service strategies have on your bottom line. You'll see what's working and what needs adjustment so you can make informed decisions to optimize your service-related revenues. Finally, proceed to the Actions area. This is where you'll execute various commands based on the insights you've gathered from previous sections. Whether it's launching new initiatives, assigning tasks, or tweaking your strategies, the Actions tab is where implementation occurs. It's the culmination of all your data-driven insights, helping you turn knowledge into practice seamlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on navigating HubSpot for customer service. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your customer service operations, ensuring that you not only meet but exceed your customers' expectations. Happy servicing!